If you would like to automatically highlight alternate rows and at the same time draw borders around cell as you add new records to your dataset, here's what you must do. First, highlight the columns of your dataset. Mine's going to be 4 from A to D like this. After that, go to Home, under the section Styles, go Conditional Formatting and click on New Rules. In here, you'll be selecting Use Formula, and the formula you'll be using will be this one here. Next, click on Format. Make sure you're in Fill. And we're going to select a yellow color here and click OK. And click OK one more time. As you can see, the pre-existing dataset rows are being highlighted. But if you add more rows, I'm just going to say Jane and maybe Tarzan and maybe Peter, you can see that the rows are starting to get highlighted accordingly. So the next thing we're going to do will be to add borders. You're going to highlight the 4 columns again, or however many numbers of columns that you have in your dataset, and then go Conditional Formatting, New Rule. And then again, click on Use Formula, and this is the formula you're going to use. Once it's done, click on Format, and this time around you're going to say Borders tab here, and click on Outline, and this will highlight the cell like this. And click on OK, and OK one more time. All the pre-existing row again, they are highlighted like this. And if you add new row, maybe say Bill and John, you can see that the rows are starting to get highlighted again, and at the same time drawing borders around it.